So we have another question, and we have to find sum of all roots of the equation this. Now if you'll observe this equation now, we have modulus thing. Okay, and you know that inside mod can be anything, but mod will produce only positive entity. Okay, this means that, suppose, like if you have f of x as mod x, this means that it will produce x when x is greater than equal to 0. Means the thing which is inside the mod will come outside as it is if that entity is positive or 0. Okay, and if you have things as negative, okay, so first it will multiply itself with minus and then it will come out. Okay, so this is the science behind this modulus function. Now, so first we have to figure out in which room this x square minus 8x plus 5 is positive. Okay, so if we will find positive room, we will end up getting negative as well. So first go with that part. X square minus 8x plus 15, we are interested in greater than equal to 0. So we'll apply splitting the middle term. X square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 greater than equal to 0. So x minus 5 and x minus 3. Okay, now look at this. So we got zeros as 3 and 5. Suppose you stay in this room. Okay, so you know that it is Weaver method. First make leading coefficient positive, then convert LHS into linear form, and you know that extreme right will be positive always. Now in this room it will be negative, in this room it will be positive. Now we will go with the case 1. Case 1 means we will handle those rooms first in which things are positive. So case 1, x belongs to minus infinity to 3. No, yes. Yes means I am trying to include 3. Union 5 to infinity. I'll include 5 as well. So in this room, mod will open with positive sign. So we have x square minus 8x plus 15 minus 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Now let's simplify this part. So x square minus 10x plus 22 equals to 0. Now again find out the zeros of this equation. So it is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. So it will become 88 by 2. Now look at this. So we have 10 plus and minus root 12. Yes. Now look at this. So can I write this thing as 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3? Okay, because this root 12 will become 4 into 3, and 4 means you will have 2 outside and then 2 simplified. Correct? Now look at this. Now let's try to find out the value of these numbers. Suppose root 3 is 1.7. Okay, so it will become 6.7, and if you'll subtract 1.7 from 5, we will have what, like it is 3.3. Okay, now look at this. In this room we have 6.7 but we don't have 3.3. Okay, so we will have this one as the 0 in this room. Okay, so we have solved case 1. Now we will go with case 2. Case 2 means this room, second room. Okay, means case 2. X belongs to 3 to 5. No, no, you know that you have taken 3 already, you have included 3 and 5 na, in previous cases, so you will exclude in this case. So in this room the modulus thing will open with negative sign, so it will become minus x square plus 8x minus 15 minus 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Suppose you are trying to send x square to that side, so it will become positive of x square. Now in this side you have positive 6x, so that side it will become negative 6x. Now in this side it is negative 8, so that side it will become positive 8. Now if you try to factorize, now it will become x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8, and we will have x minus 4 x minus 2. Okay, so from this x will be equal to what? 2 and 4. Is that okay? Now look at this. If you'll observe this room na, you will have only 4 there. So in this part we got this as the 0. Now look at this. We guys are interested in finding the sum of all roots of the equation. So in first case we got 5 plus root 3. In second case we got 4 plus root 3. So the required answer is 9 plus root 3. Hope this question is clear.